Looking for year-round all-weather outdoor protection? Check out our Ultraweave car cover fabrics. These materials are a heavyweight woven fabric that provide excellent protection from water, dust, and ultraviolet rays. Protect your classic car or daily driver with a custom-fit Ultraweave car cover from California Car Cover. This woven material is highly water resistant and will protect your vehicle from dust and harmful UV rays. The car cover material is constructed from a double 150 denier yarn for durability and has a Hydromax finish for water repellency. The fabric is breathable, so it will not trap moisture or condensation underneath the car cover. Compared to our Superweave car cover material, the Ultraweave material is heavier weight and has a textured feel. The material is designed for daily outdoor usage, but can be used indoors to protect your vehicle from fine dust buildup. The fabric is solution dyed to help retain its color and strength. The woven material is easy to handle and install compared to a multi-layer car cover. The Ultraweave is available in multiple color options and also washer and dryer safe for easy care and maintenance.